Duane Keefe D Davis wants to bail out of jail, but prosecutors say no and explain why there's no doubt Davis is responsible for Tupac's murder. Former Compton Crips gang leader, 60-year-old Duane Davis, is asking a judge to release him. He wants to be out on house arrest before his trial in June. Davis is accused of orchestrating the 1996 drive-by shooting of rap icon Tupac Shakur. Retired Metro officer Chris Carroll responded to the shooting scene decades ago.
I looked at him and I said, "Who shot you?" And he looked at me and he was trying to get his breath together, and I thought I was going to actually get some cooperation. So he looked back at me and he said, "F you."
Davis's public defenders argue in his motion for release filed in December, he's not a threat to the community and assured the court their client won't leave Las Vegas with the intent to skip trial. They also claim Davis's health has declined since his arrest in September after being indicted by a Clark County grand jury. They say Davis, quote, is not getting his bi-monthly oncologist checkups and, quote, his diet in jail is terrible. Davis is being held at the Clark County Detention Center. His defense team is asking the judge to set bail at no more than $100,000 and order electronic monitoring. But in 180 pages of opposition, Clark County prosecutors point out what they say are Davis's own confessions to Tupac's murder, like his tell-all 2009 memoir and various interviews over the years.
Did nobody know but us four that was in the car?
They also argue Davis is a danger to the community because of his past criminal convictions spanning decades, crimes ranging from robbery and grand theft in 1983 to 2015 when he was convicted on gun charges. Davis maintains he was given immunity from any prosecution. His attorneys say he was offered a proffer agreement for what he knew about Tupac's murder. Prosecutors argue it's unclear which of Davis's statements are protected under the proffer deal. Retired Los Angeles Police Department Detective Greg Kading says Davis violated the terms of his immunity deal.
When he goes outside of that agreement publicly, all bets are off.
Davis's bail hearing is scheduled for Tuesday morning. His trial is scheduled for June 3rd. At the Regional Justice Center, I'm Jae-Won Jung.